How to set up Brother sewing machine step by step. Step 1. Attach the power cord to the side of the machine. Step 2. Place the foot pedal IFE. Step 3. Pull up the cotton holder on the top of the machine. Step 4. Insert the reel sewing thread into the cotton holder, then wind the thread following the diagram guide on the top of the machine. Step 5. Now take the empty bobbin and wrap the thread around a couple of times. Step 6. Put the loose end through the top of the bobbin. Step 7. Place the bobbin into the bobbin holder and push it to the other end to disengage the needles. Step 8. Once it's loaded, switch on the machine. Step 9. Put the foot down onto the pedal to wrap the thread. Step 10. Once the bobbin is full, release the pedal and snip the thread. Step 11. Push the bobbin holder to the other side and take the bobbin out of the holder. Step 12. To load the bobbin, make sure that the machine is switched off, remove the bobbin cover, and make sure that the thread is going in the anti-clockwise direction. Step 13. Place the bobbin inside the casing, pull the thread through the small metal arm, put the loose end towards the left and close the casing. Step 14. Now, to thread the machine, turn the line on the hand wheel upwards to ensure that the lever arm is in the highest position available. Step 15. Following the diagrams on the machine, take the thread under the thread guide and follow the number that corresponds with the solid lines on the machine. Step 16. Go down and catch the thread in the thread guide just above the needle and it'll hold the thread in place. Step 17. Pass the thread through the needle. Step 18. If your machine comes with the inbuilt hook, thread the cotton under the white hook and pull the tab down. Step 19. Take the thread to the right, put it against the needle, pull it up gently and release the tab. Step 20. A loop of thread will be pulled through the eye of the needle. Step 21. Pull down the lever to lower and lift the foot. Step 22. Turn the hand wheel to pick up the bobbin thread. Step 23. Pull the thread out and move both the threads to the back. Step 24. Now you can select a stitch and start stitching. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.